Boy, that apple guava is about ready to be picked. Well, good morning, magandang umaga, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today's a little bit of a special episode, and it has to do with our family visiting us here, who came all the way over from Hawaii. That is the reason we haven't been posting any videos here as of late, but we'll be catching up on all those DIY and home build series very, very soon. Well, go ahead and join me with some great time spending special moments with our family from Hawaii. And without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Kicking her out of the floaty. This is how we roll. Well, just climb up the tree.
Not super torn. You see that?
Wow!
I can do that.
Look at the pomelo up there.
But if this doesn't happen.
Where are these?
Welcome to my tropical paradise.
Daddy?
I'm just gonna bless her. That's chicken brisket.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, guys.
He will sing again. John and Agnes.
Yeah.
Oh.
right.
Wait, we're not singing happy birthday.
What?
We're not singing happy birthday.
Can we whisper? Can we?
No.
Happy birthday.
No.
We can't do that?
Not even that.
How about just happy?
Yeah. No.
Yeah. So is that your cake? And it's, what color is that?
It's her favorite color.
It's your favorite color.
No.
That's what I heard.
That's her birthday.
Purple is your favorite color.
I think it.
Happy birthday, Annabelle.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annabelle. Happy birthday to you.
Are you 1?
Are you 2?
Are you 4?
Are you 5?
Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11?
Stop.
Okay, what is that? Okay. Okay, gotta get a picture. Oh my God. Look at there.
That is hilarious. Oh my God.
Said stay away from Juliet, but you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't get too nice. Sleep next to her. I love you.
Never would have known her face like a priceless wine.
So, why do you do YouTube?
Why do I do YouTube? So I can share really cool things with people around the world.
So what type of stuff do you share?
Oh, I share things like house building, DIY, fixing things, and then when my family come to visit, I share that too.
Nice.
Do you know where let me ask you, do you know where we're going to today?
I think we're going to like the Sky something and then the People Park.
People's Park, Sky Ranch,
Yes.
and where are we right now?
We're at breakfast at Antonio's.
For the finale, and it's kind of like for me and your mom and dad and Lola over here, but you're gonna get to see a great view.
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
That's for me too. I
Oh,
love
that's for you
Starbucks.
too? You love Starbucks.
What's your favorite drink from Starbucks?
What's Starbucks? Caramel macchiato.
That's my favorite drink.
No way.
Yes, that's my favorite drink.
Really?
With whipped cream and
With
everything.
whipped cream?
Yep, with whipped
Yeah,
cream.
yeah.
Yep.
That's my favorite.
That's my favorite. I know, they had it on the holiday drinks one time and I was like, I gotta get that. And that's my go-to now.
Well, it runs in the family, I
Yeah.
guess. Yeah.
Well, thank you for your time.
Well, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be
This was
interviewed by
super
you
fun.
today.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Where are you guys at right now?
Breakfast at Antonio's. Do you want to do it?
She's not under
a Ferris wheel.
And what's
So-
behind you?
Like this is like a volcano.
So we have to guide tie?
And then there's like the Super Viking. We're gonna go on that after. This is Taylor.
This is blueberry.
Chapa got it for us. So thank you, Chapa.
Yeah,
For
thank you,
getting us-
Papa.
This for us.
Are you ready for it? Let the game begin. Let the game begin. Now,
All right, thanks for the drive.
Everybody come here! Big places.
banana.
Yeah. That neighborhood?
Start right here. Look up there. Oh,
Now you get to
Butterball in the Philippines. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Give to the kids. First.
Oh, I serve it?
Yeah, to the kids.
Okay.
Because it's really hard for them.
Well, we have so many fruits around the yard here. Those coconuts over there pulled from these trees. I picked them before the grandkids came. And a bunch of pomelos that we got courtesy of Emily and Dave from Dave and Emily's Balikbayan farming that we went in the beginning of this episode. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode as much as we did enjoy having our family come over from Hawaii and spend some time with us here. Family time is very special, and especially when you have grandchildren. Now, we will be getting back into our normal My PI Dream episodes, doing the DIY new home build series, projects here, gardening inside the backyard, doing some travel, maybe some restaurant reviews in the very near future. So stay tuned for those as we begin going back into our normal broadcast schedule. Well, that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on the little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and you'll be notified the next time I upload a new video. So until such time, we're right here in the very beautiful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.